We will conclude the public felicitation with the Information Secretary equivalent of Department of Information and International Relations of Central Tibetan Administration, Dadun Sherling, conveying the vote of thanks. His Holiness will lead the delegation for a guided tour after the event to the main temple. I request the audience to remain seated.
As we bask under the spring-summer sun of Dharamsala, amidst the auspicious presence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the U.S. Congressional delegation, I'd like to thank everyone gathered here for making this morning truly memorable and momentous. I offer my deepest reverence to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Your Holiness, your presence transforms human lives. Your smile heals the human heart, and your words trains the human mind. I'd also like to thank U.S. House Representative Leader Nancy Pelosi, who a lot of us should know that she has been the first female speaker ever in U.S. history. Thank you, Leader Pelosi, for accepting the invitation extended by the President of Central Tibetan Administration, Dr. Losar Sangay, which has come into fruition after 3 years. Thank you, Leader Pelosi, for your very insightful and powerful remark packed with positivity. And yes, hope exists, and it's the goodness that's going to instill and inspire hope. I thank all of the representatives, Representative Sensenbrenner, Elliot Engel, Jim McGovern, Betty McCollin, Judy Chu, Joyce Betty, and Pramila Jayapal. Thank you all for your presence, and thank you again for your insightful remark, which kind of reinforces the sense of belief and conviction that hope will always reign supreme. I also must thank the U.S. Embassy in Delhi, in particular Shashti Affairs Mary Carlson, under whose leadership ensured the success of today's event. And I would not really forget the International Campaign for Tibet, ICT, in particular Richard Gere, who, despite his best intentions, couldn't be here amidst us for reasons already cited by Dr. Sangay. So the unfolding of today's event, I think, is the culmination of the collective efforts of the Central Tibetan Administration and all of us present here. I thank everyone present here, especially the guests, the dignitaries, the media, the audience, TIPA artists, the Geshe-mas, Speaker of the Tibetan Parliament in Exile, and everyone who spoke here. What is actually happening here is a beautiful symbiosis of the spiritual, peaceful, and intellectual leadership of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the political leadership of Central Tibetan Administration, the resilience of Tibetan people inside and outside Tibet, and the steadfast, unwavering support of the US Congress. It goes without saying that today will be etched in the history of both United States and Tibet, as we remember our past, strengthen our present for a brighter, better, and a stronger tomorrow. Thank you all very, very much.